So he did that, and then he touched Lord Chaitanya's heart. Lord Chaitanya woke up and embraced him, because Lord Chaitanya was thinking that, knowing that he's Krishna and thinking this is some gopi. So he just woke up, oh, this is a gopi singing Gopi Geet, and embraced like Krishna embracing a gopi, because she's singing that Gopi Geet in separation and viraha, because Krishna has left her, so they're singing Krishna. It actually says, on the commentaries in Gopi Geet, chapter 31 of 10th canto, it says they're not singing Gopi Geet. What are they doing? They're not singing it. What are they doing? They're crying it. Singing is, Yashomati Nanda, that's singing, but crying is something different. Singing maybe from the throat, from your memory, remember the lines, but crying is not from the throat and not from the mind. Crying is only from the heart. So they're simply this song is not coming from their neck, their vocal cords, or their brain, or their memory, or their singing ability. It's coming from their hearts, lamenting and crying in separation. So that's why they sing it so slow.